I'm Skylar, and today I'm going to introduce you a book called Miss Lazar Is Bizarre by Dan Gutman. Miss Lazar is the school custodian, and AJ and his friends think she is a superhero. And I think you shouldn't think like that. But I always admire their huge pieces of imagination. It's outstanding. They have so much imagination. Anyway, that doesn't matter right now. Miss Lazar do a lot of, very interesting things. They think she can do anything. And if you read this book, I believe anybody might think that. She is a very strong character which does a lot of things on her own. The kids go to the basement where Miss Lazar works in, and they spot a secret room. They want to know what is inside of it. So they go in. They go in without Miss Lazar knowing. Well, you shouldn't do that in real schools. You shouldn't do what AJ have done. But still, it's just a story, and I think it makes it great. His personality makes the story much funnier. And all the characters' personalities. But every time she does something great, Mr. Klutz feels a little jealous. So the kids make up a plan that might, wash away his stress and jealousy, but it kind of fails. I think I really like that part where everybody works together this time. In the last parts, even Miss Lazar comes to help. And Mr. Klutz doesn't feel jealous anymore, which is the great part. Thank you for watching. Goodbye! And please subscribe.